I guess I suffer from post-traumatic syndrome because I'm extremely fearful for my mother in her nursing home.
It was 1 year ago that nurse Loredana Mule walked through the doors of this private seniors residence in Montreal's Dorval, then called Herron, to volunteer at the start of the pandemic when she quickly realized the situation here was dire. A year later, she says the alleged neglect she witnessed behind these walls still haunts her.
The incontinence, the smell of the rooms, the receiving of zero care.
City News brought you Loredana's story back in April 2020 when she first sounded the alarm over the alleged horrors at Herron, where at least 38 residents died during the first wave of the pandemic. She said staff abandoned their posts and residents were left in their excrement for more than a day.
When I got into my car, I still had the stench of urine and feces up my nose, and I just broke down. I just couldn't believe it. I cried. I'm hoping I can, I've made a change, but it seems to have died down. I don't see much changes in the nursing homes.
A new study released Tuesday from the Canadian Institute for Health Information found deaths in Canadian nursing homes represented 69% of overall nationwide COVID-19 deaths, much higher than the 41% international average. It also found residents in nursing homes across several provinces received less medical care and had less contact with family and friends during the first wave, making them more vulnerable to depression.
So that means that a lot of people have died from abandonment and expulsion of their caregiver, lack of resources, crisis. But the main error for which we intend to ask for financial repair for the families is the expulsion of close caregiver.
Many unable to see their loved ones, people like Loredana pulling their mother out of care at the time as the province feared outsiders would put residents more at risk.
The own neglect and omission from the state was much more dangerous.
Brunet is helping more than 50 families who joined a class action lawsuit against Herron, now under government operation, previously owned by Catassa Group, which faces a public inquiry in the fall. He's also made a list of recommendations to the province for an upcoming bill about the mistreatment of elders. He's hoping includes direct accountability on the ground. If not, he says the situation will remain critical.
We'll still go on in the coming years not being prepared, not preparing ourselves, and still being neglecting people who will die again from the next pandemic.
Something Loredana worries about for her mother in long-term care, which is why she says ever since Herron, she's been more present at the residence than ever, something she encourages other families to do as well.
It scarred me in a very positive way. And I'm happy that when I walk into my mother's building, they know who the hell I am. And when I'm there, they're on their best behavior.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.